Hello student. Many students of psychology optional find difficulty in answering questions from paper 2, and they often say that there is not adequate material for paper 2. I am going to clarify one of the this kind of things with one example. One question has been asked in civil service examination, that how IT has impacted work life. Discuss. Now see this thing. This is a question. Question could be asked in any way, and if you expect that for everything you will find ready-made material in some book or notes, and then you will write just all the things, then I think uh, you should not take subject like psychology or any scientific subject where you need to apply your mind. This is not a memory based kind of subject. So paper 2 deal with issues and application. So it requires that you should answer the things by making use of your knowledge, theoretical understanding, concept. For example, if you take up this question, that how IT has impacted work life, so very you should come you should what things should come in your mind, that if I take work life, then how what was the uh, traditional method of working, and then this IT, this IT has been introduced, and now after introduction of IT, this technology, then what changes you are finding in this one work life. You can compare. So how it has see this thing. If you take into account that work means one concept of work is that workspace where you work, timing. So when you work, where you work, and when you work. Traditionally, work was conceptualized as that some office place, factory. You need to go over there and then you work. But this thing, that with growing digital technology, many of the work could be performed through anywhere. So as far as work space is concerned, now the things are changed. So is the case with time. 9 to 6, this was the traditional concept. So time, if you take this dimensions, that concept of a space, work space, and timing, okay, this is modified. Now in modern time you find what? Redefined concepts of work, space and time. You can work from anywhere. You can work in a company that is international, and you can perform from one part, and you can take assignment from other continent. See this thing of the globe. So there is no concept of work a space constraint. You need not to go to particular place in order to give your service. Getting? You need to perform. You can do this thing from your own workplace, means from home also. And in during post in during COVID crisis, this is more evident. Now I'm not talking about every kind of work. Suppose you are selling some physical thing, I'm talking about those work that could be performed, like teaching, for example. I'm doing from here and you are able to get it at your home. So this kind of things could be, now you need not to come down to the classroom. I want to say this. So many of the work now it is performed in different way. So this question is analytical. It is not a that something will be given and you will cite that. So sometimes things are very obvious, so obvious that it doesn't require any research studies, because it is in everyday life you will find that yes, it is true. So it is obvious. Everyone can validate this thing. That yes, this is now possible. So this kind of things you should write in this way, that traditionally this was the concept, how this was. Are you getting my point? Likewise, I have said that space and time. Then you can work related, career. You take this thing. When you aspire about work, What do you think that you suppose you happen to be in pre-independence India, then what could have been your aspirations? That I will become something in my own country. If you are very rich, then some other continent, and then that will be limited. But now, work-related achievement drive or aspirations has a new horizon, new height. Getting so now it has affected work-related dreams and aspirations also. What you can do and what would be the growth. See this thing, and one person is in now in USA and in Google, and suppose he has become now. Example is that Nadella, Sundar Pichai, many people are there over there. See this thing, they are heading the companies of the other country and continent. See that. So work related aspirations, you can compare this thing that what has changed, and this for need for ACH means achievement aspirations, how this in before IT means when IT was not there, and then now what changes you can add here. See the volume of work, there's a volume you can say, then at a given time you can do one work. So now you are doing multitasking because of this technology. So volume has increased, and now skills. See this thing, how it has affected work life in general. So when you perform some work, traditionally was not having any help, and your supervisor, your leader would help when some help is required. Now you have artificial intelligence. When you are not able to compose a good letter to your boss or to client, you can take help of Google's, and many softwares are there. So with the artificial intelligence, even language is refined, and in your upskillings, many training programs are there online, so you can enhance your skill also. See, people are doing this. So see this thing, that skills are also, and you can take, suppose even if you are reluctant to do some course, then you can make use of artificial intelligence, because in problem solving, something you are not capable to do, with the help of software you can do this thing. So your capacity means skill and ability that was of your own before this thing, and then after this technology, see information and communication technology, what they think things is not that now you are capable to do much more with the help of AI. So the quality of work, so you can use, so the quality with the help of is increasing with AI. You can this thing, and then pace, you can compare these things, that how quality was there and now how quality is here. See how pace was here, how pace was here, how pace is here. So along multiple dimensions you can compare the things, that how things are changing because of IT. And this is analytical questions. So you need not to say that in one research finding it has been found that people in the modern time are able to perform the work at the faster speed. It is, things are obvious. You need not to cite studies, But if you cite this thing, that now work related aspirations has increased, you can so many surveys are there, but there could be of everything there could be two parts, positive and negative. If you are discussing pace, and then suppose you want to say this thing, that how it has affected, the pace is more, we are able to now we are working speed, the concept of how quickly work, efficiency, and I'm talking about the people now in the modern time, there is a requirement of pace, and people and organization seeks a pace, and this technology is helping in maintaining the expected pace, and that is increasing day by day. See this. So this is very important, but you can say this thing also, that but it has added to a stress also, but people sometimes feel very stressed. People have become workaholic also because of this technology. And there was one thing is called formal and informal. Then informal time, informal life, you can say. Under that heading, you can say how these things, that when you there was that concept that formal and informal, formal and informal. Once work is over, people are in informal life, no work, relax. Now continuous, 24/7, you have work assignment, you feel day in day out. When you are sleeping also, you have in mind that this work should be done. When suppose you are a banker, you are back home, and then calls come that you should do this thing next day, or as early as possible, for this client. So in home conditions, work is intruded. So there is no this divide, that this one, the work life and non work life, means leisure time, so called. This thing divide is dooming now. This divide is no more. See, this is because of the technology. So with the analysis, I have said this, you need not to do write in this way, but analytically you will answer this question and you will get marks. But suppose SOCM has given some survey that work satisfaction in the field of IT, or people who are working late night, and in some cases of insomnia or stress related disorder is more in working in call centers. Suppose you cite this kind of study. Okay, obvious. If you want to validate your ideas, as and when possible, you can make use of that thing. But your broader analysis should go in this way. You should not mention just one things, like this has how it has affected. Suppose the for example, the quality of artificial intelligence. For example, suppose only one thing you cannot emphasize. You think and analyze. So take a broader perspective, what is being asked, and try to answer in a precise way. I hope you have understood my point. So these are not the only things. If you think, many points will come. So I have written from my own, analysis. You can analyze, and there is no prescriptive answer. Remember this. It has to be an analytical answer. And if you analyze in your analysis, you can give reason, and if you can support your view as and when required, or something is very natural, it is observable everywhere, that will, I am repeating, that will not require any validation. So if you are writing in a very sensible manner, so you analyze and write your answer. You need not to mention, you need not to look for material where I will find model answer of these questions. It means that you have not understood the subject, or not understood the basic things, work motivation and all these things are in paper 1. So you are just applying in paper 2. I hope you have understood, and you will make most of the suggestion that I am giving you. Thank you.